Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Slack and enable AI with workflow triggers step by step clearly. To download Slack, open your web browser. Go to the Slack website by typing in slack.com. Once the page loads, look for the download option in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Download. You will be directed to a page with different download options depending on your operating system. Select the appropriate option for your device, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or mobile. Once you click the download link, the installer will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish, then locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Slack application. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. Enter your credentials and access your workspace. Now, let's enable AI with workflow triggers. Click on Workflow Builder from the menu on the sidebar. In the Workflow Builder, click on Create to start a new workflow. Choose a trigger for your workflow, such as New Channel Message or Scheduled Date. Click on Add Step to define what actions will occur after. From the list of options, select Send a Message or another AI-integrated action. Customize the message or action parameters as you prefer. Once your workflow is set up, click Save to apply your changes. Test the workflow by triggering it with the selected conditions. Monitor the AI responses to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Slack and enabled AI with workflow triggers. You are now ready to enhance your productivity with Slack's powerful tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.